Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. EMI also refer as a radio frequency interferences when it come in the range of radio frequency spectrum. It is basically electromagnetic disturbances generated by the external source, and that affects seriously wireless signal and system by some electromagnetic induction or electrostatic coupling or some electromagnetic conduction. In this unit, we will discuss what is electromagnetic interferences. Then we discuss about the sources of electromagnetic interferences. And finally, we discuss about different types of electromagnetic interferences and especially for electromagnetic interferences for wireless communication system. Electromagnetic interferences, also known as EMI, is actually a disruption that is caused by the electromagnetic radiation from variety of the external or internal. It presents a significant challenge to the technology that is used for wireless communication in the modern era, particularly wireless fidelity Wi-Fi. It has the potential to corrupt data, lower the quality of the signal, and even bring about the breakdown of the communication. Understanding the cause, effects, and techniques control the electromagnetic interferences is essential for the reliable operation of electronic system and wireless communication system. Electromagnetic interferences can originate from a wide range of sources. These sources may be natural or man-made. These sources emit electromagnetic radiation that can interfere with the proper functioning of electronic devices and systems which are used for wireless communication. Here are some common sources of EMI. One is a power line, electrical power line, including overhead power transmission lines and underground cables, can radiate electromagnetic interference that may cause some disturbance in nearby communication system or electronic equipment. Similarly, electronic devices, various electronic devices such as computer, smartphone, television, radio, and many other electronic devices emit electromagnetic radiation during their normal operation. These radiation can potentially interfere with nearby sensitive equipment, motor, transformer, and microwave oven. All these generate electromagnetic fields as they convert electrical energy into mechanical or electromagnetic energy. These fields can induce unwanted current in nearby conductor or in electromagnetic devices, electronic devices, and cause some interferences. For wireless communication system, wireless devices such as Wi-Fi routers, and cell phones, and Bluetooth devices also use radio frequency signals to transmit and receive data. These signals can interfere with the other wireless devices operating in the same or close frequency range. Industrial equipment, heavy machinery and industrial equipment such as welding machine, generator, turbine, motors, and high power electrical systems can produce strong electromagnetic fields that may affect nearby electronic devices or wireless communication systems. Lightning is another important source of electromagnetic interferences. Lightning strikes generate intense electromagnetic energy. It can propagate through the atmosphere and causes EMI. Lightning-induced EMI can disrupt power grid, communication, towers and systems, and electronic devices. Solar radiation, solar flares and solar storms release bursts of electromagnetic radiation, include high-frequency particles, which can impact electromagnetic field of the Earth and can induce EMI in sensitive systems. Radio and television broadcast. Radio and television transmission involve the use of powerful antennas and broadcast electromagnetic signals. These signals can interfere with the nearby electronic equipment if they operate in same or very close frequency. Medical equipment can also generate very strong EMI, such as MRI machines, X-ray machines, operate using strong magnetic field and radio frequency signals, which can cause EMI in nearby electronic devices if they are not properly shielded. Environmental factors also play a role for EMI noises, such as atmospheric condition, geomagnetic disturbances, cosmic radiation. All these factors play very strong contribution for EMI or wireless communication system. Electromagnetic interferences from electromagnetic field, also known as electromagnetic interferences or radio frequency interferences if it is in range of radio frequency, can be classified into two types, radiated or conducted EMI. When electromagnetic energy is transferred through a conductor, then it is considered as a conducted electromagnetic interferences. All these conducted electromagnetic interferences can further classified into common mode interferences and differential mode interferences. On the other hand, when electromagnetic energy is radiated or emitted through the air or some free space, then it causes some radiated electromagnetic interferences. It can be further classified as a near field or far field interferences. In the context of electromagnetic energy, near field interferences refer to the electromagnetic energy that is very close to the source, while far field interferences refer to the electromagnetic energy that radiates away from its source and travels some distance to reach the destination as electromagnetic wave. Come to wireless communication system. There are a specific type of electromagnetic interferences, which is not discussed in our previous slide, that can affect the performance of the system, wireless system. Here are some common type of EMI that can impact on wireless communication system. And these types can be defined as co-channel interferences. Co-channel interferences occur when multiple wireless communication system or devices operate on the same channel or frequency. It can result in signal degradation and reduced data rates or leading to decreased performance and increased error rates in wireless communication system. Similarly, adjacent channel interferences occur when wireless device or system operate in very close or neighbor or adjacent channels. Say overlapping the frequency due to some irregularity of the system can cause interferences and result in some signal distortion and reduced signal quality. So intermodulation interference is the most important and most commonly taking place when two or more signals with different frequencies interact within a non-linear device or system or model. It interacts and creates some additional frequencies called intermodulation frequencies that can fall within the desired frequency range and causing further interferences and potentially degrade the wireless communication system. Electromagnetic noise is as referred to the unwanted electromagnetic noise or radiation that can interact from wireless communication system. It can originate from natural sources or man-made sources by power line, electrical equipment, motor, fluorescent light, and some solar flares, and many other sources are available in literature. Electromagnetic noise can disrupt wireless signal, reduce signal to noise ratio, and impact the overall system performance. Similarly, multipath interferences can also play some role for electromagnetic noise, as we have discussed in earlier units that multipath occur when wireless signals reach the receiver through multiple paths, due to reflection, diffraction, and obstruction in the propagation environment. These multipaths can cause signal fading, phase distortion, and, and some interferences, leading to the errors and reduced signal quality in wireless communication. Jamming of electromagnetic signal refer to the intentional interferences caused by the deliberate transmission of the signal on the same frequency or very close frequency range as the wireless communication system. Jamming can disrupt wireless communication and prevent the intended receivers from receiving or decoding the desired signal very effectively and efficiently. Environmental interferences, environmental electromagnetic interferences, such as atmospheric conditions, weather phenomena, and geographical features, can also introduce electromagnetic EMI in wireless communication. For example, heavy rain, snow, fog, or dense foliage can attenuate or scatter electromagnetic wireless signal, leading to reduce signal strength as well as the quality of the signal. These are the few types of wireless communication system we have discussed. Check practical life, many other and variety of the EMI noises is present in wireless communication. Different natural or man-made sources. And ultimately, they degrade the quality of the wireless signal.